使用蛙力 N1 扫地机器人。首先，我们来认识蛙力 N1。
Wow, did you check that out? That's amazing. A robot that can recognize poop. What are they going to come up with next? A toilet scrubbing robot? I don't believe it. Hey guys, this is Nathan here. This is RoboMasters. Yes, I pre-ordered the N1. Should come here hopefully at the end of this month, maybe beginning of December. It's coming all the way from China. Okay, so let me talk about this cool new robot. Basically, it's a tall robot. As you can see in the picture, it's like sits up this tall. But what I know from it is it has a really cool mopping pad. Okay, Roborock, you better step up your game. Yes, this is a 2-in-1 robot. Something like the Roborock. It has an extractor bar like this, but the Divinity also has an attachable mopping pad. So, like the Roborock, you can slide it in, and now it's a 2-in-1 product. But one thing that's nice about the Divinity is it will not mop your carpets. Yes, the ability to retract mopping pad, so when you go on carpet, it will go ahead and vacuum up your carpet. So when it detects hardwood floors and you want it to wet mop, it will go ahead and lower its mopping pad. Very, very cool. Roborock, can you do that? He's shaking his little head. He's sad now because he's not the hot new robot. Also, this new robot has a LIDAR sensor, very similar to the Roborock. It has the usual buttons you can see on a traditional robot. You got your home button, and you also have your clean button. Very, very nice. The thing about this new robot vacuum is it actually can apply pressure. It also has the ability to self-clean its mopping pad. So what it does is it goes out for about 15 meters squared or about 10. I'm not exactly sure. I'll put the spec down below. But anyways, the robot will go ahead clean. And then once the mopping pad's dirty, we'll go to its charging base and clean the mopping pad. Very, very cool. To wash the mopping pad, the unit has both the clean water and dirty water tank, which is very easily to empty out. The unit itself is really easy to clean. You can remove the cleaning brushes and also the cleaning tray. The dirt collection bin is very easy to remove and clean. Here's a quick look at the robot returning to its dock. So you notice that the robot will dock to its station after cleaning about 15 meters squared, and then it will wipe off its mopping pad and then rinse it out with fresh water. Also has a 2-camera system. One looks up towards the ceiling, another looks towards the ground, so it can recognize objects like poo. It can also recognize people and pets, so it can go around them. So in the future update, it should be able to recognize string, smartphone, cable chargers, shoelaces, shoes, all that good stuff. Here's what the robot vacuum comes with. This robot comes with the usual accessories. You get a measuring cup, power cable, mopping pad, a combo style extractor bar, you get a filter, you get a side brush, a cleaning tool, the manual. But one thing to note is you also get a disposable bag for the robot. This robot uses disposable bags, not a traditional dustbin like other robots. The robot charger works both in the USA and overseas. Very nice touch. So here's a quick look at the disposable dustbin. It's pretty easy to install and remove. And another thing that this robot has is a pretty large battery at 5200 milliamp hours to give about 1.5 to 2 hours of runtime. The robot also has a new feature called a retractable side brush called the snail touch, which will extend when it goes into corners. Very nice feature. So it won't spread the dirt around. So I have been working closely with the engineers and distributors on this robot. What we're working on is trying to get the app to work here in the USA. It should be about a week or so before we can get the app, but the pairing process is very simple. They have to do some tweaks here in the USA for it to work, but once they get it working, I'll definitely let you guys know about it. And I'll be doing this firsthand, the pairing process, but it looks like the robot has the standard fare mapping process, can do room select, can do a keep out zone. Nothing too different from other smart robot vacuums. The robot's very versatile. You can either just do sweeping, you can also just do mopping, or you can do a combination of both. Very nice. Don't worry, you can change the language, and also the robot supports all of the accessories and consumables. Alright, well, that was just a quick look at the Mini N1 robot vacuum. I've been talking with some of the distributors and they're willing to work with me. So hopefully in the future I will be getting some products from them. They actually have 3 products that they are going to release, so I'll let you guys know about that. And I'll be definitely reviewing that on my channel. But for now, I have the 50-in-1 robot vacuum to review, hopefully in the beginning of December or at the end of this year. So if you like this channel, please subscribe to my channel because I got a lot of exciting robots, a lot of exciting products coming on this channel, and I'm also working with a lot of great companies and partnerships that are bound to happen in 2020. So you see a lot of different robot vacuums. You will see some new robot vacuums. So stay tuned for that. And if you like this new robot vacuum, please smash the like button. So I got a couple companies watching these videos, so the engagement and the likes will definitely help this channel out. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.